Moving on, the United States has welcomed the power-sharing deal between Afghan President Ashraf Ghani and his political rival Abdullah Abdullah that is expected to bring an end to months-long political crisis in war-torn Afghanistan.
After months of political deadlock, Afghanistan's President Ashraf Ghani and his political rival Abdullah Abdullah on Sunday signed a power-sharing agreement in which Ghani remains in his post and Abdullah takes a leading role in the peace process. US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo congratulated the two leaders for reaching an agreement on inclusive governance for Afghanistan and regretted the time lost during a bitter months-long feud that plunged the country into political crisis. Secretary Pompeo also urged Ghani and Abdullah for a political settlement to end surging militant violence in Afghanistan. United States Special Envoy Zalmay Khalilzad also welcomed the move and in a tweet on Sunday said the US is prepared to partner with the new government in a peace process that ends the war in Afghanistan. He asserted it is high time to take seriously the resolve of the Afghan people and to finally see an end to the conflict in Afghanistan. Experts hope Sunday's agreement will help put Afghanistan on the road to greater stability. The political tension between Ghani and Abdullah emerged in February when Ghani was declared winner by the Independent Election Commission after earning a slightly higher percentage than Abdullah in last year's disputed presidential election.